Guys, check this out. We've been out here all night looking for Megalodon shark teeth. Check out these orange megs right here we just found. There's one right there. And then we've got a beautiful snaggletooth sitting there. And then check over here. Another meg. Two megs and a snaggletooth right next to each other. We're gonna go and see if these guys are full. There's meg number one. All there, just a little bit of feeding damage. Onto the snaggletooth. Missing a little bit of the tip, that's all right. It's still really cool. And onto this meg right here. Oh my gosh, dude. Isn't that crazy? Wow, guys.